No good. Tiffany Alvarez, wala. And it will end up with Kirby Raimundo. Deerfoot's down by 3, 75-72. Here's Rogeria, blocked by Alvarez. And Halo Cruz so far, man of the moment here para sa Red Bull. Here's Rayback. Penisi to Rayback, back to Penisi.
And you see how great the defense we are showing right now from both teams, Purefoods and Red Bull. Hindi lang mga opensang nakikita natin dito. Yung kabilisan na mag-adjust, bumalik. Kung namintis man nila yung bola, bumalik to defend against the other team. So really, both offense and defense we're seeing in this game.